This is the second part of the last video that was about what is literature, why we study literature, and reasons of studying literature. Let's take a start. The third reason of why we study literature is language improvement. The authors use ornamental flowery language in their genres of literature, and when we read them, we indirectly improve and polish our language. So literature is also a source of language improvement. The fourth reason is fellow human beings' emotions and psychology. Literature is the unique subject in which the writers present the emotions and even psychology of the characters like Henrik Ibsen, who brings the psychology of Hedda in front of the us. She belongs to aristocratic class and always tries to be dominant over others. If someone tries to get hold over her, she repels. When she burns the manuscript of his old lover, she says, I'm burning your child." Here the dramatist shows her psychology that she wants that her past must be hidden from others. In this way, we come to know the emotions and psychology of our fellow human beings. So it's a way of understanding emotions and psychology. The fifth reason is hustle and bustle of life comfort. When we read literature, we forget the ups and downs of life. Take, for example, if we are in sad mood, we start reading the Ode to a Nightingale, in which the poet is very sad as his brother was suffering from tuberculosis. We also dive deep in as the poet writes, "What thou among the leaves hast never known, the weariness, the fever, and the fret, here where men sit and hear each other groan, where palsy shakes a few sad last gray hairs, where youth grows pale and spectre thin, and dies, where but to think is to be full of sorrow." While reading this poem, we forget our problems, difficulties, and sufferings of life and get comfort. This is the reason we study literature. The remaining part is in the next video. Watch the next video. Thanks.